Hi everybody, it's David Kino at Basecamp Trading. Just looking at a pretty strong trading opportunity here on the hourly and the daily. You can see the daily has broken higher here out of the pennant that we've been forming since the end of January. Broke higher on the very first week of May, but then put in a double top right against 2738. Today we broke some support levels. Pulling back below the 8 EMA, the 50-day EMA, and moving lower. You can see it right here on the hourly. The next target of this move is roughly 2635. This is the 200-day simple moving average. This is the first day in a down move. I think you should expect at least 1 or 2 more days of a down move. 2650 is a conservative target. 2640 is the downside target from there. Again, be careful trading it. We could get another little bump back up to retest the 2700 level, but chances are we're going to head lower. The next level of support should be 2653, and then the next is 2650 because of the number, and then roughly 2635, wherever the 200-day simple moving average is. Be careful, this market's starting to come down.